how to change the alarm volume on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So to change the alarm volume, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on sounds and haptics. Now in sounds and haptics, here you will see a ringtone and alerts slider. So you cannot change the alarm sound only. To change the alarm sound, you have to change the ringtone sound too. So if you want to increase the volume of alarm, then you have to increase this ringtone and alert volume. And to decrease the volume of alarm, you have to decrease the ringtone volume by sliding this slider to the left side. So to increase, drag it to the right side, and to decrease the volume, drag it to the left side. So that's how you can change the alarm volume on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.